In this video, you will learn about how to update the NPM packages. Before updating, you have to check if any package have a new version or not. You have to type npm outdated. This command will help you to find the which package have latest version. Just enter. Here you can see that Redux toolkit has current version, this one, but it needs to 2.3.0 and latest this. If you want to update single package, then you can update just here the version number 1, 2 or which we have. So if you just change it here, then 2.3.0 2.3.0 save it, and then you have to run npm update. Just hit enter. It will just update only the Redux toolkit package. Now check whether it has latest version installed or not. npm outdated. Here you can see that Node Redux toolkit found. It has already installed. Then if you want to update all the packages at a single time, then just write this command: npx npm check updates -u. This version required to install. Now if you run the npm install, then it will install all these packages. Here you can see that all the packages has been installed. In this way you can update the npm packages. Thank you.